Well, we had snow. Woo! Kind of falling inside here, some of it. You won't believe that I threw 3 cups of seed out here like a half an hour ago. But it's kind of been letting up, the snow. The first wave came through. This is, what is it today? The 27th of December, 2018. And we got a good amount this time, I have to say. And now the second wave and the wind, the actual wind is going to start coming in this afternoon. So they've got like blizzard watch or blizzard warnings all around up here. And then we should get a little bit more snow. But you can see how when I say that I live in a little wind tunnel, the wind spins around right here outside of my apartment. And you can see grass. And yet, look at all the snow out here. And like if paper or something goes flying by, it flies around and around in front of my apartment, which Annie loves to watch. Anyway, can you see? Oh, I don't know if you can see the snow blowing off of the roofs and stuff. It's going to be blowing a lot more. Out in the country, it gets so you can't even see, and they've got warnings out to stay off the road. I would imagine that Dagan's home from work today. Just because they haven't been able to plow everything, and it just gets blown over again, and then they got to plow again. And we got the plows though. But this is supposed to continue through all day today and through till tomorrow morning. Anyway, this is before it gets really windy and bad. I suppose I'm making you sick going back and forth like this. It's cold. Oof. Not as cold as it has been. But anyway, if I can get the door open without all this snow flying in my apartment, well, I might do it anyway. Ooh. Oh, and the birds, little sparrows, were just here a little bit ago. All right. We'll see if I can get pictures of the blizzard conditions later. Bye.